to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on this look that you see. It's a very full-blown, dramatic, fiery look using the NYX In Your Element palette in the shade Fire. I love this little PR kit that comes with the In Your Element eyeshadow palette, and then there are 3 lipsticks associated with each element. There are 6 elements, as you can see: wind, air, metal, water, fire and earth. So I actually used the fire palette to create this look that you see. It is definitely a very dramatic, very bold look, totally signature for me because you guys already know how much I love absolutely bold, stunning looks. And I am so happy with how this look turned out. It's definitely a very dramatic but still kind of wearable look, and I think it represents fire really well because there's yellow, there's a little bit of orange, there's a little bit of red, there's a little bit of blue. So I tried to incorporate as many colors from the palette as I could, and I think I did an okay job. What do you guys think? Leave your comments down below. Another exciting thing about this video is that there is a giveaway. One of you is gonna win this entire PR kit with the palette as well as the 3 lipsticks. So there is a red, a mauve and a black lipstick, and then there is this amazing warm toned eyeshadow palette. NYX graciously asked me what palette I wanted to create my look with, and I chose Fire because, come on, warm tones in me. I know I've been creating quite a few warm toned looks recently, but you guys seem to enjoy them, and they're definitely my comfort zone. I absolutely love warm toned looks, and I try to kind of change it up a little bit every time, add a little bit of a twist. So let me just show you what this absolutely stunning palette looks like, and the pigmentation is just out of this world. I'm gonna show you a few shades so you can see the pigmentation. Look at that. That is absolutely insane. Oh my god. Here are the swatches of the 3 lipsticks. These 2 are matte. This is a really nice everyday shade. This is a stunning red, and this is a glossy black. So you can see those are the 3 lipsticks. So yeah, one of you is gonna win this entire PR kit. I'm gonna mention the rules of the giveaway in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. But it's gonna be pretty simple. You have to follow me on YouTube, you have to be subscribed to my channel, and you have to have the notifications on, and you have to follow me and NYX on Instagram. All the links and every detail, the dates and everything are going to be in the description box below, so make sure you check that out for any doubts. And by the way, I did try to create a One Brand tutorial using only NYX cosmetics. I think I only used like 2 or 3 different products that were not NYX because I didn't have those products in NYX, and I tried to incorporate as many NYX products as I could in this video, and I came up with this look, and I'm super excited. I'm super happy with how this look turned out. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Let's move on to the tutorial now. So let's start by priming the face. I'm gonna use the NYX Shine Killer Primer. Just focusing it on the T-zone. I'm just using a corrector under my eyes and around my mouth just to cancel out any discoloration. For foundation, I'm actually going to mix 2. This is the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Foundation. It has kind of like a sheer to medium coverage, and it looks really natural on the skin. And I'm also going to mix the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. This one also looks really natural on the skin, but it has more pigmentation. So I am going to mix both of these together and apply them on my face. Just using the LA Girl Pro Concealer to conceal around my eyes and around my mouth. This is the finished result. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to use the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the shade Light to highlight. Just a tiny bit, not too much. Now I'm gonna bake wherever I concealed using the RCMA No Color Powder. just gonna chill for 5 minutes and let it bake on my skin while I watch some Sex and the City in the background. Now to dust everything off and set the rest of my face, I'm using the NYX Hydra Touch Powder Foundation in the shade Medium Beige. You guys already know how much I love this. Okay, so now that the base is done, I'm just gonna do my eyebrows off camera and come back. Okay, let's move on to the fun part now, the actual fire palette. I'm so excited. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go with it and see what I want to do. So this is what the palette looks like. Stunning packaging with all the fireworks, and here is the actual palette. Can we just talk about these beautiful shades? I just want to put all of them on my eyes. But let's start with the yellow one. Oh, that's nice. It's so different from the colors that I usually put in my crease, like light browns, light pinks and mauves. It's yellow. I am gonna take it a little bit higher, just so after I put all the darker colors, you can still see the yellow. Okay, I have to use the orange shade. Gonna look like a sunset or a sunrise. I'm not gonna bring the orange too far in because I do want a little bit of lightness in the inner corner, so the orange is gonna come about halfway. Going back to the brush that I used the yellow with, just to blend all of that. I'm loving the yellow in the crease, so different. Let's go to this brown shade to darken that outer corner. Okay, now I'm gonna take the plum. Oh, that looks nice. Going back to the yellow shade, just blend everything up top. Okay, let's take the red shade. Oh my god, look at that color. Put it all over the lid. Not going too far in. Okay, now I'm gonna take the gold that is going in the inner portion. Oh, that looks so nice. Just a little cut crease. I'm gonna take this coppery shade. Kind of connect that to the gold so you can't see where the gold starts and ends, and it just blends into the red. Get any fallout, just keep dusting it away. Okay, now I'm gonna use the NYX Faux Blacks eyeliner in Oxblood. You guys know this is one of my favorite eyeliners. Create my wing, I'm gonna use the Vivid Brights cream color in the shade Bad Blood. Just mixing a little bit of Geoline to get the right consistency. Okay, I'm just gonna create a wing. Let's curl the lashes. And apply mascara. Okay, now I'm gonna apply falsies, and for that I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty lashes in the style Samantha. Just look at how wispy and beautiful they are. Okay, transformation, right? So now for the lower lash line, I wanted to add that little bit of a blue quality that Fire has. So I am taking the NYX Light On Eye Pencil in the shade Azure. It is crazy pigmented. It is stunning if you want to use it by itself as well. So I'm just going to line my lower lash line with that. I mean, look at that. Now I'm gonna start layering underneath. So I'm gonna take this duochromy blue brown kind of shade, and that is going right underneath. Now I'm gonna take the red shade and do the same thing, just trace underneath. Now let's take the orange. Again, same thing, just a little lower. I'm taking it quite low because I want it to be super smoky and sultry. So I'm taking the orange even lower. Now, of course, you want to apply mascara on your lower lash line. Now, just to make sure the blue is really popping, I am going to line my waterline again with the same eyeliner, because with all this blending you can lose a little bit of that element. So I'm just going to line my lower lash line again. Okay, coming back to the face, I am going to bronze, and for that I'm using the NYX matte bronzer. I kind of like to hold my ear while bronzing because I feel like it kind of stretches and it's easy to blend. Really strange, I know. Now for lips we have three options. There is a mauve, there is a red, and there is a glossy black. So I initially wanted to do a red because I had this fiery kind of look in mind where I wanted everything to be kind of red, but then I think these eyes are just so bold that red is gonna look a little bit too much. So I think I'm gonna go with the mauve. I'm gonna line my lips with the NYX lip liner in mauve. Okay, now let's go ahead with the lipstick. Blush, I'm using the NYX Ombre blush in the shade Strictly Chic. I feel like I need the lips to be a little nuder and warmer, so I'm gonna add the NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Dusk to Dawn. Yeah, that's much better. Okay, I'm loving how this lip has turned out now. Okay, let's highlight. I'm using the Fenty highlighter because it's quite gold and I want it to match the yellow and the gold. I'm going to take the other side, and that is going over here. Because over here I want a more subtle kind of highlight. And in the inner corner, of course. Let's fix everything with some makeup setting spray. This is the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful and learned something new. That's why I create these videos for you guys, so you can actually do your own makeup and feel beautiful. It makes me so happy when you guys recreate my looks and tag me on social media. I do hope you enter the giveaway to win this entire PR kit. You can have this lovely eyeshadow palette and create your own look very similar to this one. And of course, you're also going to get 3 amazing lipsticks. So please check out the description box on how to enter the giveaway. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you super soon in my next one. Bye bye.